Hey folks, Mr. McStache in the McStache Garage. We have the quickest, safest upgrade for your motorcycle.
Oh, you didn't know?
Hey folks, Mr. McStache in the McStache Garage, and I got a hold of the folks over at Eagle Lights, and they sent me a package here. What we have in our package is load equalizer to balance the LED lights, because you need that when you put LED lights or you get a hyper flash thing. I don't know. And they sent me, these are the front turn signals with the instructions right on the package there. Rear turn signals with the instruction right on the package there, and there's nice little foil boxes and a little box here that came in. Now, they don't have all the fancy packaging that some of the bigger companies out there, because, well, they like to save you money a little bit that way. Plus, where's the wrapping? All your Christmas presents came in. Just saying, I don't need any covers. I need functionality and safety. So we're going to show you today the fastest, easiest upgrade you can do on your bike to help you be more safe. More safe? Is that word? Is that? Yeah, more safe. Stick around. Remove the seat and find your light harness, the main wiring harness. And the best way I can say to find that is go under your seat, right on your fender here, your rear fender here, and you'll find a wire that runs back into the fender and then out the back. That's going to be your main harness. I suggest unplug right there. Take your balancer, male to female, plug it in there, male to female, plug it in there, you're done. A little bit of wire management, tuck some stuff away here, make it look good, on you go to your light bulbs. Okay folks, so here we are at the back of the bike. We're going to start with the rear and change out the turn signals. Cross tip screwdriver, pull that out. I always leave the top one in there so you can get a hold of everything. You don't lose everything, you don't drop everything, right, like that. Piece of cake, push and twist, out comes the bulb. Push and twist, put in the replacement. You have flat side for your flat side here. Set your thing up there. It just kind of just sets in there. Take your cross tip and your screw and get her started on there like that. Take your bottom one, put it in, snug them up there. Blue Loctite if you prefer. There you go. Come up front, it's the same thing. Cross tip to remove your screws. This one now, pay attention, when you pull it out, you have your tall bulb here, or your tall pin here, your short pin here. You want to redo that. You have a tall pin here and your short pin here when you put your bulbs back in this way. You want to make sure that happens again so that it will be the same way. And you can put your cover back on like that. But what I am going to do, because these are generation 2, and this shows as a white light when it's not a turn signal, I'm going to replace it with the clear lens. I'm going to replace it with a clear lens so that when it's white, it will show as white. I'll do the other side and leave it on the yellow lens and let you see what you guys think. There you go, folks. I told you it's going to be quick and easy. One of the quickest safety things you can do for your bike is to add some LED lights and be seen. So there you go, folks, from the McStache garage. With the help of Eagle Lightings, we showed you the fastest, quickest, easiest way to be safe. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to check out our Patreon page, where as little as $1 a month, you can help support local veterans like these heroes right here. Before we get out of here, we want to say the 3 things we always like to tell you before we leave you, folks. Love on your family, check on a buddy, and when you get back out there, folks, keep it rubber side down. We'll see you the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.